Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Tommy. Happy birthday to you from my garden, Uncle Tommy. This is just for you. Happy birthday, Tommy. We love you. We love you. This is my garden this year. You can see my potted sunflowers behind me. And I've got sunflowers all over the garden, Tommy. All over the garden. These will be birthday sunflowers for Tommy. I've got them all over. There's 4 that are growing. But these are all growing back here, Tommy. They're all growing. I've got big, healthy plants all over the garden. So that's where I'm at right now. But I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. And I just harvested some tomatoes. You might like to see these. The latest tomatoes off the vine. So, okay, Tommy. We love you. God bless you. Have a great day.